Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm sharing an adept Canva tutorial for a beginner. So you can start designing your own graphics, be it Instagram, YouTube, or be it any social media channel. So in this editing software, which offers a great variety of tools, it has both free and paid version, which I'm gonna talk about in the middle of the tutorial. It gives us a lot ton of different photos, elements and other graphics for you to be creative. So it's brilliant now for any kind of graphic that you want to design for your social media, or could be for the website or any kind of blog. So now let's log into our account. If you haven't, then you need to create one by signing up through Google account, Facebook, or Gmail. All right. So I've already logged in. I already have a account here. So this is how the Canva homepage looks like. Okay. So I'll explain where to go for certain functionalities. Now, like I said, they have a free and paid version both. So I'm just gonna tell you the difference. So it doesn't have much of a difference. There's like very minor difference between both paid and pro version. Now here, the second right corner, the search bar. Say for example, we need to create a YouTube short. So like you see, it gives you basically all the YouTube related posts. So it basically specifies this, the design that you want to create for, whether be it YouTube, Instagram, anything. Okay. Then let's go to the top left, the main navigational panel. It gives us a lot of templates which are categorized into different types. So we have documents, whiteboards, presentation, social media, videos, print products, websites. And we go for more. We have infography, photo collage, desktop, wallpaper, graph, book covers, and we have a lot many templates, mind map, magazine cover, Zoom ritual backgrounds, and etc. So again, here in the left corner we have projects. We have templates, brands, and apps. So projects, under projects we have the things we have worked on previously. That's our the designs that we have created. The next would be templates. Under templates, we have all the templates related to business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, card and invitation. Next, we have brand. Under brand, we have a brand kit. The brand kit is a functionality only available for the pro users, and this functionality is useful if you are working for a specific brand. If you are working for a specific brand and you like to be consistent, so this is where you can upload your logos and you can create different brand palettes, and also you can pick your brand fonts and mention them here under heading, sub body. And next we have app section. Under apps, we have certain things that are trending, like text to image, mockups, AI presenters, and many more. And now let's start designing. So here on right corner, you can see create a design button. Once we click it, it takes us to the tab where it suggests on what type of or what kind of design I need to create. It's similar to the search bar where we can also use the templates from here. So now let's say we want to design an Instagram post. We'll choose templates. So I'll show you how we can actually browse through different templates. As you can see, Canvas got tons of templates here. They keep updating this as well. So you can have a look at what fits your brand and what matches well. So let's say we pick this particular one. This will take you to editor. So now let me explain on how the editor works. Now have a look at the top panel. You can return to home to any of your designs. Apart from home, we've got the file, so you can create your new design from there as well, and can save it too. We could also import files from here. Next we have settings. Under settings we have ruler and guides, margins. We also have a print bleed, which we'll learn later ahead in the video. Next we have language, save, and also save as that folder. We could also make a copy, and then there is download. We have version history, that's again for a pro user, where we can see our previous changes to our design. Then view all comments we have. Then in case we are working with a team on a project, then they can share their views and comments down here. There is also find and replace text bar. Then we have here resize option. Again, it's available just for the pro user, so it's like you can instantly transform that one design into a different resolution. Say we need it for Instagram or YouTube or Twitter, anything, so it just changes the resolution. And then we also have the control Z. So we can choose or we if you want to undo anything, any changes in the designs, we can. The next we have at the very right, this is how you can save your designs. Then we have insights, that I'm gonna explain later on. Then we have share. You can share your designs with your teammates or the owner. Now extreme left. Okay, now once you open design, the left panel shows up, and the first element is template. You can choose any templates from here as well, and browse through the different options, which are endless. Okay, and next we have styles. So here we can choose according to your business related themes. They have different styles. We could choose professional, there's creative. Next we have color theme. You can create different color palettes. We have font sets. Canva here continuously tries to inspire you with different designs. So let's choose this template for now. And so if in case we had to change something, you can just click on it and it applies. It applies to the page. There are video animated templates as well. So here they are. Then we've got the element tab. Under element tab we have a library full of these amazing elements. So some of them are free, and some of them are paid. As in the pro version, their pro version, we can just choose and add them to your designs. And also they are actually adjustable. You can drag them, make any kind of size you want it to be. So there are really amazing kind of graphics as well. If you're looking for something in very particular, you can search them in here. And we also have different kinds of icons, shapes, and we have different kinds of lines. Under lines we have a different kinds of strokes. We can change the color as well. So we can actually make use these elements in our designs thoroughly, as there is no limits to what we can do with combining these elements, using the icons, the photos, the graphics. They have frames, different kind of frames, stickers. They have gradients. So Canva has really upgraded their library when it comes to any kind of animated elements. Now when we get back to the elements tab here, We can obviously search for a specific icon or any kind of shapes. So if in case you are looking for any kind of particular icon, say, just type in flower. Let's just say we typed in flower, you will have a variety of all kind of flowers, such like graphics elements and illustrations and the sketchy ones, different variety of flowers. So you could use, so using all of these different elements will make it look more nice and beautiful. Another cool trick that we have here on Canva is, within the Canva, it mentions saying magic recommendations. So if in case we click on one particular element, you see the magic recommendation is in here. It just shows you below the chosen icon or any element. So Canva will pull out different designs by the same author or some similar kind of ones. So next we have text panel. Let's go to text panel, which is self-explanatory. Now this is where you add text. So you have got a heading, a subheading, and the body text. So and when you have and then let me just clear it out. So when you have pro, you have certain text that is available for you in the pro version, and there are certain fonts which are available for free as well. So you can customize them, you can actually choose according to your brand fonts, and you'll have the kind of typography. So if you scroll further down, you have tons and tons of fonts. Now also we have different font combination, okay, which is already prepared. You can choose among these as well. These are in different style, it's a combination of two fonts. This again is an amazing feature. So next we have brand. Under brand we have brand templates. Okay, so we have brand kit, like earlier said, if you are working with any kind of brand, we keep everything aligned and coordinated, then we can just mention our logos underneath, the color palettes that we've been using for the particular brand, and the fonts that we've been using, all of it can be mentioned underneath. Okay, now talking about text again, let me show you the different ways you can actually manipulate the text. So now, like we chose a particular font, say we chose this, okay, this is how we'll change the size and the font. So we can increase the length and width. Okay, so now you can click on this and you can see the text color change again. So we can also change colors in here for the text. Say let's just choose this color. Next we have the alignment tab that aligns. So next we can also number them, also list them. We also have spacing, so we can adjust the lines, like we can space out and space in the letters. Next we have line height adjusting between one line space to another's. Next, let's just go to the effects. It actually gives you various options to play around, to manipulate your text. So under effects we have shadows, so it adds a shadow to your text. Similarly, we have different more options, which is lift, it lifts your text. We have hollow, we have splice, we have outline, we have echo, we have glitch, neon, and this will give a background to the text. We have shapes for the text, we have a straight line for the text, we also have curves for the text. These are usually used for any kind of sale purpose. This is moreover used for advertising any kind of sale. And next we have animate, where animate, under animate we can really animate our text. So it has rise, pan, fade, pop. So let me show you the pop. So this is how it's gonna pop the text. Okay, and then there is breathe. So the text is gonna slowly breathe out. Okay, and after all these effects, see, we also have this thing called create an animation, where we can particularly drag an element around the canvas to create your own animation. So for example, just take this and drag like this in a circular motion. So this is how the animation is done. Next, we also have these motion effects we can add to our text, that is rotate. So basically the text can rotate. Flickering effect, it also has flickering effect. Then we have pulse effect. These come under animation. Next, we have uploads. Under uploads, we have image uploads, video uploads, and also audio uploads. So, for example, we have library for all the three. In case we are, wanting something in particular, for a particular brand, then we can upload our own image. Or any kind of the edited video or any kind of audio that we needed for the brand can be uploaded through this. Next, we have draw. Under draw, we have certain things shown here. These are icons, that's a sketch pen, a pencil, a eraser. We can also change colors uh, to draw. We have settings where it shows the weightage of your pencils, from thinner to the thick. We can increase the numbers. Okay, we can also do the transparency for your font or any kind of drawing that you've done on the board. Next, we have projects that I've already mentioned. There are the previous designs that we have done, which have been shown here. So this is a folder where the previously designs that we have done will be saved. Next we have create folders, where we can create folders of a particular design. Next we have purchased, then the starred one. Then we have image that we have been uploaded on Canva, videos that we've uploaded on Canva. Okay, all this is being saved under projects. So next, let's go to apps. Under apps, we have discovered and your apps. So firstly, let's just see what discover is. Under discover, we have these generate video avatars that represent your audio. So these are a couple of things that we can explore and discover under this. Next, we have trending. Under trending, we have customizable dynamic QR codes for your brand. So any a stylish dynamic QR code to your design without leaving Canva. Select a template. We need to select a template, then add your logo, brand and color and more, and then we can just generate one. Similarly, we have mockups. Under mockups, we can bring your product to a life, like it can generate the product mockup. Certainly, there are many more options which says charts, photos. There is bulk creation, audios, backgrounds, logos, videos, translate. All this can be really made use of. So next we have the popular ones is text to image. Text to image is we need to describe what we want, what kind of picture we want, and it's gonna generate us the similar photo or image. Similarly, we have Google Drives, Typecraft, YouTube, emoji, GIF, all of these that we can make use of. Next, we have photos and audios. This is the photo library of the Canva. and here are the audios, which are actually for the pro users. So if you're a pro user, then you can access to all of these musics. So here was a brief idea, like an introduction to the Canva features. Hope you liked it, and leave some comments below if you have questions. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.